This just in from Sharon Shasha. August 11th is the new date. So now, August 11th, I just posted this on Telegram from Sharon. They're doing an emergency test of emergency broadcast system on August 11th. And again, this is one of those moments where everything is becoming, it feels so Matrix lately that it's like what is real and what is not real. But this is from the government site, and here it is. And they're announcing on August 11th that the emergency broadcast system is going to be tested. What's your opinion of this? Mustang Medic wants to know. See you back in DC tomorrow.